Today we'll be making a simple decorative bow. What you will need, I have the Burlap bow maker. I have really pretty red ribbon, 1.5 inches in width. I cut 30-inch long pieces, about 5 of them. And then I have bow wire. You will also need scissors. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the middle of your Burlap. Then you're going to take your 30-inch long piece. If you want the tails longer, you can definitely cut it longer or shorter. I'm going to fold it in half. Open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal to give it that nice ribbon cut look. I'm going to do that for 2 of them because I'm going to have 2 tails and 3 loops. I may add more loops. I'm just going to see what it looks like. Alright, so we have our bow wire in place. I'm just going to fold this in half so that I can find the center. And this ribbon is the same on both sides, but if you do have a ribbon that's only printed on one side, you want to make sure you have the right side facing up. Now we're going to scrunch it. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with my second piece. Find the center, scrunch, and place it down. Now we are going to make our loops. So again, we don't have to ribbon cut the ends because they will not be visible. So I fold it in half just to have the center. Take the end. Now again, if you have ribbon that is printed on one side, you want the wrong side facing up for this step. You're going to scrunch and then place it down and use your wand to help keep everything in place. Then we are going to make another loop, scrunch, and place it down just like that. And then this is our center crease. We're going to scrunch here and place it down. And then with the wand in place, you can maneuver your bow. Alright, and then I'm just going to repeat this step as many times as I'd like, just depending on how many loops you want. I think I'm going to add a few more loops because it's just looking so cute and adorable. Again, you can have as many or as few loops as you'd like. And this ribbon is somewhat silky, so that's why I'm having to use the wand a little more than usual. But if your ribbon is like thicker or stiffer, then you won't have to use the wand as much. And I'm adding my last loop, and this one is actually going to be slightly shorter. It's about 23-24 inches, but I'm doing the same thing. Look at how cute and adorable that looks. I like to make sure I like the way everything looks before I tie the wire. I think that looks pretty good. One good scrunch. Take my bow wire, the open ends, place them inside of the loop. I'm going to hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. And I'm going to tie it a couple of times. I'm going to keep my excess bow wire Usually I would cut it off, but since I'm attaching this to a wreath, I'm going to keep it in place. So you have two options. You can tie it in a knot like this and place it in the center. You can keep your bow like that. You can kind of fluff up your loops, give it a little bend, and this works best with wire edge ribbon, and do it like that. I think I'm going to keep it this way just because it's fluffier and it's so cute, but I like both ways, so that's your option. And then there are my tails. So it looks so cute and adorable and simple to make. Perfect for a wreath, door, Christmas tree, any type of decoration in your home. The link for this wreath will be in the description box down below and at the end of this video.